Bitter green juice diet recipes. Easy to lose water and swollen fast. Month thin 10 pounds. Green juice is not a single color vegetable juice, but a drink made by extracting and concentrating bitter flavored fruits and vegetables with yellow-green detoxification effect. Yellow-green bitter vegetables are rich in bitterness, vitamins, fiber and chlorophyll, which not only help the body to accelerate the decomposition of fat, but also promote the body's metabolism and detoxification. Vegetable juice is a good diet food. It uses a fruit juice and juice that is strong in weight loss. It can greatly enrich your weight loss diet and make the effect better. Many beneficial substances can also make the body absorb nutrients more intuitively. There are fewer calories in the juice. If you find it difficult to enter, you can add some honey to make the taste better and not get fat. Match 1: bean sprouts plus lettuce leaves. Bitterness index. Fat burning efficiency. The bean sprouts are also called pea vines. They are the tender stems and sprouts of peas. They taste crispy and bitter. This is a slightly cool vegetable that can detoxify and remove greasy oil. Lettuce leaves are something that many MMs will abandon. In fact, lettuce leaves are rich in leaf juice, which can promote detoxification of the body, and the leaves of lettuce leaves are rich in potassium, which can diuresis and dampness and help relieve body edema. Prepare 50 grams of bean sprouts and lettuce leaves on a lettuce. After washing, cut the lettuce leaves into small pieces with the bean sprouts and completely crush them. Then add 200 to 300 milliliters warm water and continue to juice for 1 minute. Pour the broth out and filter it for a while. Don't add any sweet condiments. This bitter green juice is suitable for detoxification and you want to lose within 5 kg. Match 2: bitter vegetables plus cabbage. Bitterness index. Fat burning efficiency. Bitter vegetable is a plant that can be eaten and medicinal. The bitter cold can quickly reduce the heat inside the body, relieve the heat in the blood, and accelerate the body's detoxification. For obese people who often have acne and heat sores, they should eat more bitter vegetables, which can help purify the blood and excrete toxins. Cabbage is often said to be a cabbage. Because of its own stems, bitterness is concentrated in these parts, so it will have a bitter feeling when eaten. Cabbage is rich in vitamins and fiber, which is very beneficial for weight loss. Prepare 30 grams bitter vegetables and 1/4 cabbage, wash and cut into small juices and crush them. Pour the thick vegetable juice into 300 milliliters water to boil, then filter out the residue of vegetables to drink. Because the taste of bitter vegetables is relatively heavy, this is a moderately bitter drink. If you want to lose 5 to 8 pounds, then drink half an hour before eating every day. Match 3: bitter gourd plus mint. Bitterness index. Fat burning efficiency. Bitter gourd is a kind of bitter vegetable that everyone is familiar with. Because of the high content of bitterness, the bitterness is also the strongest. However, the bitter melon itself has the best cooling effect, and it is good for detoxification and speeding up metabolism. Bitter melon is also rich in amino acids and vitamin C, and the nutritional value is also very high. Juice with mint can effectively reduce the bitterness. Mint can clear the appetite and clear the appetite. It is also very helpful for reducing fat. Prepare half a bitter gourd and cut into small pieces into a juicer. Add a few fresh mint leaves to it, then pour 300 milliliters of warm water and juice. After fully crushing, you can drink it without filtering. If you feel that the green juice is too thick to be imported, you can add some warm water to dilute, but do not add sugar. Although this juice is very bitter, if you insist on drinking half an hour before the meal, you can successfully lose more than 10 pounds a month.